Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, ladies and gentlemen, pulling out the big guns. First off, this is Myojo Umakara miso, spicy miso, basically. Umakara, I think, means spicy, delicious, spicy. And this means upside down. Yeah, spicy miso, yakisoba. Sound like fun? It will be. Because, ladies and gentlemen, first off, let's just get started. So, how y'all doing today? Got some loose stuff from the tray, got a noodle block, and got 5 minutes. Put this aside. Push these noodles down to submerge them. There you go. 5 minutes, we'll be ready for them. But there's something that I want to do special. Oh, what's this? What's this I have here? Uh-oh, what's going on with you? This is TKG. Welcome to this. Welcome to happiness. That's what it should say. So we put it there, put an egg in on top. Well, what do we do? I want to make sure you can see all of this because I've only done this a handful of times. So let's make sure that you're in the driver's seat. There you go. Hi. You ready? Bring it. Whoa, no! There you go. Well, it looks like the yolk broke, maybe? Yeah, I think the yolk broke in it. I'm not sure. It had to have. That's crap. So what it does is it cracks the egg and dry. Maybe I was just a little overzealous with the cracking aspect. Oh yeah, that yolk is going right down the tubes. Okay, so we're gonna redo this. Because I want this to be a special time, not a time of, oh crap, that didn't go as planned. So, get that egg out of there. Give everything a quick rinse, and we'll be back in business with a new egg for you. Okay. I'm kind of new at this thing, so we'll do it again. And I'll be a little less insane with cracking it. Yeah, I know. But it's fun. This thing is so much fun, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot tell you how crazy fun this thing is. Okay, so let's load the egg in again. And we'll be super nice to egg. That should be a song. Super nice to egg. Yeah. Okay. So being super nice to egg. There we go. That's better. Oh, really? Well, here we go. Yeah, we're good this time, I think. I think we're good, and we have 24 seconds until these noodles are ready, folks. This is like down to the wire. Come on. Beat the crap out of that white there. Uh-oh. Okay. You keep beating them eggs. Super bassomatic. Okay. So the noodles are ready. So while I will get that ready. Basically they get drained and you add sauce in. Not rocket science here. That's what we're gonna do. By the way, these noodles came by way of Zenpop. Zenpop.jp. That's ZNPOP.jp. Zenpop.jp. Go there, use coupon code RamenRaider for a discount. And you can get a box every month of noodles from them. End spiel. Okay, we're getting nice and pretty here. Got our sachets. I think we're about as good as we need that yolk. Or not the yolk, but the white. Add this in. So this is the spicy, or this is the soba sauce, I guess. Man, I need to take out the freaking trash. It's not that it's like, I mean, it's overflowing, but it's full of like oddly shaped items. Okay. Sometimes it gets like, it's like, I can't rotate anymore. I have to end my rotation. Okay. It smells like miso. Unfortunately, it smells like loads and loads of red miso. But we'll see. I don't know. The last red miso I had, I liked. And that I like. So maybe I'm just converting over to a human that likes red miso, but that's a shock. So I'll show you what happens next, ladies and gentlemen. It's a fun. You like the fun? I certainly hope so. Because now, it's plating time. I wish I had the time to put like little things in, like a little clip right at that point that just had like things exploding saying it's plating time. But I don't. I'm like scrambling now because I've got all this editing that I'm going to have to do right after this. Editing images, getting the YouTube uploaded. Okay, so we got that. I guess I could have mixed some of this in with it, but I decided against it just because I forgot. Forgetting something can be a decision. Mark my words. Go here. You can go here. And you come with me. We're my spoon? Where's my spoon? I need my spoon. Spoon. All right, here we go. So here's our lovely little spittlebug nest for our egg. Come on, egg. Whee! Yay! And then we got our spring onion, what have you, wherever went I over here. Okay. Now this is the tricky part because I've got this stuff and this stuff, and I've kind of got to add it in such a way that I can try it with the noodle without jacking up the way everything looks. So, let's give that a try. And I'm guessing this is like a shichimi togarashi. I can't remember. One word means like spice mix, and the other word is like the type. Isn't this the happiest music you've ever freaking heard? If you go on YouTube and you type in stuff like Price is Right music or 70s game show music, there's some stuff that's absolute amazingness that you gotta check out. Okay, let's give this a try. This has both on it right here. Doesn't jack everything up too bad. Spicy, a little. Definitely has a nice bit of umami. Umami. Ooh. What can I say? I like the black sesame seeds. Alright kids, let's rotate. Let's get all hippie and rotate. If I can find the... There we go. God! Well, I just dropped my Mountain Dew. So, I'm done. I'm done. Now, the last thing I added was a little bit of pickled ginger right here, that pink lovin'. So, yeah. Alright, well, cool. I am out. This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Be sure to check out www.thechocolatebreak.com. I work really hard on that crap. So does my wife. So, pay attention. Do it. And be happy. Yeah. Later.